So today's lecture will be about a first order circuit that has a time constant, R times C, which is an RC circuit, and why the units are in seconds. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to use Ohm's law to get V equals I times R and show that R equals V over I, or ohms, is equal to volts over amperes, which is the units. Then we will do the same for I, where I is equal to C dV dt for a capacitor, or capacitance is equal to I dt over dV. So the units are farads equals amps times seconds over volts. So if the time constant is R times C, then what we will have is ohms times farads, or volts per amp over amps times seconds over volts. The amps and the volts cancel out, so you see that the time constant is in seconds.